instructor and yoga therapist. Today we will be doing the yoga practices for positive health. So this practice will include some supine postures, prone postures, standing postures and seated postures. So let's start. So before we start our yoga postures, everyone just bring your palms together at the center of your heart. Close your eyes and just try to bring your mind and awareness to your breath. Let's take nice long deep breaths in and out. Inhale through your nostril and you exhale completely. Breathe in few times. Breathe out. When you inhale, feel the energy flowing in. And when you exhale, feel the relaxation. Now from here, slowly rub your palms together. And you put your palms onto your face. Feel the warmth, feel the energy. And gently bring your hands. So we will be starting with the neck practices. So bring both your hands in the sides of your thighs. Lift your spine up, shoulders open wide. Keep your neck neutral. And now from here, take a deep breath in and you lift your head up. Look up to the ceiling. Then you exhale, bring your head down, chin is closer to the chest. Take a deep breath in, lift your head up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bring your chin closer to the chest, feeling the stretch at the back of your neck muscles. One more time, take a deep breath in and lift your head up. Push your chest in the front. Exhale, bring your head down, chin is closer to the chest. And gently bring your head to the center. Now we will do sideways. So take a deep breath in first. Exhale, move your head to the right side, feeling the stretch on the left side. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale to the other side. Take a deep breath in to the center. Exhale to the side. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Last time, breathe out and hold and stay there. Once again, inhale, come back in the center, exhale to the other side. Hold your position, keep taking normal deep breaths in and out and come back in the center and relax. Next practice we will be doing is the shoulder. So bring your hands onto your shoulders and let's do the shoulder rotation. So take a deep breath in. Open your chest and shoulders wide. Exhale, the elbows comes together. One more time. Lifting and just relax. Let's do opposite side from in to out. This is a very good practice for your shoulder movement. It opens up your chest and your lungs. And one more time, just relax. Now from here, next practice, another one for the shoulder stretches. Bring your right hand in front of you, open your palms and fingers wide. Cross your left hand over to your right elbow and then fold your right hand. And then gently stretch your hand towards the right side and look towards the left side. Lifting your spine up. Chin is relaxed on the shoulders. Feel a nice good stretch on your upper arms and the back muscles. Stay there. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's change. Left hand is in front of you. Crossing your right arm and fold your left and look towards the right side. Try to lift your hand up to feel a deeper stretch. Stay there. Keep lifting up your spine. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And bring your hands down. One more practice for your shoulder and the arm stretching. Bring your right hand behind your back, more towards the left side. Elbow is pointing the ceiling. Now hold your right elbow with the left hand and then pull your right hand behind your back, lifting your spine up and stay there. Looking in front, neck is neutral. Feel a nice stretch. Stay there, hold and breathe. Keep lifting up. Hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Gently bring your hand down and let's do it another side also. So left hand, elbow is pointing the ceiling. Bring the left fingers towards the right shoulder blade. Hold your left elbow with the right hand and pull your hand behind your head. Do as much as you are comfortable doing. Stay there with the stretch. Keep pulling your hand towards the other side. Stay there, pushing your spine up and straight. Hold and breathe. Stay there. Feel a nice good stretch. Very good for your arms. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And gently relax and observe the changes. Now just bring your left hand up. Breathe in. Lift up your spine from the left side. Take a deep breath in. Pull up your spine. Exhale. Just try to bring your right hand away from your right thighs. If you are comfortable, put your right elbow, forearm on the floor and cross your left hand over to your head. If you are comfortable, look up to the ceiling. Stay there. Keep extending the side waist muscles. Stay and hold there. Breathe. Feel the changes. Feel a nice good stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale. Come up. Exhale. Bring your hands down. Now let's do same on the other side. Inhale. Lift your right hand up. Pull up your spine. Taking a deep breath in and then exhale. Let your left hand go away from your left thighs. Stretch your right hand over to your head. And if you are comfortable, look up to the ceiling, opening your chest and the shoulders. Keep stretching to the sides. Stay there, hold and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands down. So we have done some stretching from the sides. Now the next practice we'll be doing is twisting. So for that, sitting up straight and tall, bring your right hand to the left knee and take your left hand behind you, behind your tailbone. Push your spine up. Open your chest and the shoulders and gently twist towards your back. Chest and shoulders open wide and feel a nice good twisting in the side waist muscles. Stay there everyone. Keep breathing. Hold your stretch. Stay and hold. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back in the center. So whatever we do on the one side, we do it on the other side as well. So now this time left hand comes to your right knee. Take your right hand behind your tailbone. Take a deep breath in and lift your spine up. Push up your spine and gently exhale while twisting. Keep pushing up your spine. Do as much as you are comfortable doing. Feel a nice twisting in your waist. Opening of your chest. Keep your breaths nice and long. Enjoy the good twisting. Stay there. Hold and breathe. 5. Observe the changes. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly, gently inhale and come back. So after the side stretches and twisting, let's go and move into the butterfly. So bring both your feet together, hold your feet and lift your spine up and keeping your elbows straight. Stay there, hold and breathe, and now let's flutter our legs. This is a very good practice to open up your inner thighs, to increase the blood circulation in your lymphatic system near your pelvic area. Continue doing, fluttering your legs. If you can, try to push your knees towards the floor. This is a good stretch for the thighs and the knees also. Continue doing, keep breathing and keep flapping. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Okay, now we will do some practices standing up. So first practice we will do is the warm up for our back muscles. So we will do forward and backward bend. Those who have back issues, please be careful. No jerky movements. Let's start. This is a little bit of warm up, so we'll do it a little bit faster. Take a deep breath in and lift yourself up. Exhale, you go down, roll your hands. Continue doing this. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly from here, come up and relax. Now next practice we will be doing is squatting. So open both your legs, little bit away, both the feet twisting in the side. Bring your hands to the Namaste position. This is also called as Malasana. So take a deep breath in. You inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, you go down. All the way, sit into your groins. Now from here, hold your big toes and gently inhale and straighten up. Try to go down, feeling a good stretch. Once again, you exhale, go down, sitting into the Malasana position and take a deep breath in, lift up. One more last time, go down, stretch up, look in front, catching your toes and come back. Straighten yourself, feel a good stretch and from here, inhale. You come up, exhale, bring your hands down. Now we'll be doing 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So let's stand in the front of the mat. Namaste position. Bring your hands to the center of your heart. Both the feet are parallel to each other. Neck is relaxed. Stay there nice and long. Take a deep breath in and let's start. Breathe in. Backward bend. Uttan Hastasana. Exhale. Push your hips back and chest and sternum in the front. Go down as much as you can. Forward bend. Padhastasana. Stay there. Breathe. Now from here, inhale. Both the hands next to your feet. Right leg goes back. And let's go for Anjani Asana. Push your hips in the front. Raise your hands up. Exhale to the plank. Breathe out. Stay here. Inhale, knees down, chin and chest on the mat, tummy and buttocks up. You can also put your forehead onto the floor. Exhale here and inhale. Push your chest in the front. Bhujangasana. Roll your shoulders back. Depress your shoulders. Squeeze your hips. Look up. Exhale to the mountain pose. Breathe out. Push your hips back. From here, bring your right leg up. Breathe in and bring it all the way. Put your left knee onto the floor. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Forward bend. Catch your toes. Inhale, raise your hands up and come back to the Namaste position. Let's do one more time. Take a deep breath in, lift up and back. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward bend. Inhale, the right leg goes back, knee on the floor. Push your hip in the front, raise your hands up. Stay there, biceps are touching your ear. Exhale, spread your palms and fingers wide. Move into the plank pose, belly tight. Looking front, spine and hip in the same line. Inhale, knees onto the floor, chin and chest on the mat, forehead on the floor. Exhale here. Inhale, push your chest, lift up, squeeze your hips. Exhale to the mountain pose, push back. Once again, lift your right leg up and bring your right leg in the front. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale to the forward bend, catching your toes. Inhale, raise your hands up and come back to the Namaste position and just relax. Eyes closed, breathe. So after the Surya Namaskar, now we will be doing tree pose, Vrikshasana, very good to increase the balance, focus and concentration. So for that, lift your right leg up and bring your right feet next to your left thigh, onto your left thigh, Namaste position. Try to find the balance. Stay here first and then from here slowly inhale, lifting your hands up, lifting your spine up, breathe in and hold. If you want to do one variation, try to focus, balance, bring your right hand on to your right knee, left hand is lifting up. Let's go for a little bit of side bend. Try to focus, stay there, breathe and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly from here, inhale and come down. So if you lose a little bit of balance, it's fine, keep trying. Now let's do from the other side. Stand up straight and tall. Let's bring the left leg up to your right thigh. Once again from another side, standing up straight and tall, engaging all the muscles of your legs. Inhale, raise your hands up, lengthen up your spine, breathe in. If you don't want to do the variation, it's fine. You can just stay here or else just give it a try. Now from here, bring your left hand onto your left knee and stretch on the right side. Find the balance, stay there, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently from here, bring your right hand down and your left leg down. Stay there and relax. Okay, after standing practice, let's go down and do some seated practices. So from here, let's sit down on the floor, both the legs together, spine straight, tummy in, toes are pointed towards you. Take a deep breath in to go for Paschimottanasana. Inhale, lengthen up your spine, straighten up your spine, tummy in. Take a deep breath in, keep looking in the front and go down towards your feet by pushing your chest and sternum in the front, going down from your hip joint. If you are comfortable, you can hold your feet, you can put your hands on the ankles, you can catch your toes, whatever you feel good and comfortable. Stay there, looking in front, lengthening your spine, pushing your chest and sternum towards your thighs. Stay there, maintain the position. Stay there, keep breathing. Nice and good stretch to your hamstrings, calf muscles. Keep pushing your chest in the front. Stay there. If you are comfortable, little bit try to go down towards your knees. Keep pushing, keep lengthening. Stay there. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale. You raise your hands up. Exhale, bring your hands down. So after Paschimottanasana, we will be doing Purvottanasana. So before that, you just relax little bit, legs away, observe the changes, breathe and relax. Good. Now let's do Paschimottanasana. Both the legs together. Your hands can be pointing in the front or it can point behind. Whatever you feel good and comfortable. Toes will be pointed down. Pull up your kneecaps, tighten your thighs, calf muscles. Look in front, take a deep breath in and try to lift your hips up, pushing your hips up. Try to bring your toes towards the floor, looking in front. Stay there, feeling strong on your arms and the shoulders. Maintain this position, breathe and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Gently exhale and relax. Now from here, once again, legs away, hands behind and just relax. Feel the flow of pranas, feel the good stretch and relax. So after the seated postures, we will lie down on the belly and we will do 2 postures here also because this is yoga for positive health. So we will cover few postures in different positions. So this one you can just relax in Makarasana. Bring your hands onto your shoulders. Hold your hands. This is the resting position. Now from here, let's start. First we do the Shalabhasana. Both the legs together. Bring your hands in front of you. Make a fist of your hands. Now from here, bring your right hand towards your groin, inner thighs, elbows straight, chin is on the floor, ankles are pointing down. Now from here, taking a deep breath in, you lift both your legs up and lift your chin and chest up. Squeeze your buttocks and stay there. Those who have back pain, they can do alternate leg also. And if you are comfortable, keep lifting up, stay there, hold and breathe. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Gently from here, relax. Once again, come back to Makarasana. Legs away from each other. Hold your hands and relax. Take a deep breath in and out and relax. Good. Now from here, we will be doing next is the variation of Dhanurasana. So for that, we will do one leg Dhanurasana. So for that, first, both the legs together. Hold your right ankle with your right hand. Elbow should be straight. Now left hand is in front of you. Left leg is straight behind. So this is a variation for Dhanurasana. First you inhale and you lift your chin up, chest up, right leg up, left hand up, left leg up. Stay there. Hold and breathe. Stretch. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and relax. Let's do it other side also. This time hold your left ankle with the left hand. Right hand is in front of you. Now lift up. Inhale. Take a deep breath in. Lift up. Right hand up. Right leg up. And your left leg up. Stay there. Hold and balance. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is more challenging than the normal Dhanurasana. Stay there. Relax in Makarasana. Breathe and relax. So 2 postures. Lying on the belly. Stay there and relax. Okay, now we do 2 postures lying on the back. So for that, first is the bridge pose. So after all that Shalabhasana and Dhanurasana, Setu Bandhasana feels nice and good. Fold your legs. Bring both your hands next to your thighs. Your fingers are touching your heels. Now from here, inhale. And you gently lift your hips up, lower back up. And if you are comfortable, roll your hands in, shoulders in. Keep pushing up. Stay there. Hold and breathe. Look towards your belly. Keep breathing. Push up. And if you want, you can little bit lift your heels up also. And slowly from here, release your hips down and relax. Now from here, lie down straight. Next posture we will go is Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. So for that, both the legs together. If you cannot do full shoulder stand, you can do half also. So let's start. Both the feet together. Take a deep breath in and inhale. Lift your legs up. Push your hip up and go up straight. Bringing your hands onto your back. Pushing up your spine and bringing your palms onto your back. Stay there, taking care of your neck. Keep breathing, hold and stay there. Nice. If you cannot do full shoulder stand, you can do half shoulder stand by just lifting your hips little bit up and bringing your hands to your hips. So you just learn and practice to lift your hips up and then slowly from here release, gently taking care of your back and breathe out, just relax. Relax in Shavasana, palms are facing the sky. Breathe in, a little bit move back and stay here. Gently focus onto your breathing, relax. Stop. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the practices. Just keep practicing and do the daily practice to get better and better at it. So we will finish our practice with Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. So for that, we'll take the Nasika Mudra. Right hand, first two fingers goes in, close your right nostril and then gently inhale from the left. Take a deep breath in. Close your left nostril with the ring finger and exhale from the right. Breathe in the same right side. Take a deep breath in. Close your right nostril. Exhale completely from the left. Breathe in. And you breathe out the other side. You can continue doing this practice for some more time. And gently breathe out. From the left side. And from here, bring your hands down, keeping your eyes closed. Palms are facing the sky. Stay there in silence. Observe the changes. Listen to all the sounds coming from your surroundings. Sitting up in silence, eyes closed. Lovely smile on the face. Feel the changes. Nice. Now from here, gently bring your palms together. Rub your palms. And then you put your palms onto your eyes. Feel the warmth. and bring your hands down. Open your eyes with a lovely smile. Let's all go down, and I wish you all good health, happiness and peace always. Thank you so much for the practice, and slowly inhale, come up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Let's wait for a few more next practices coming in. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.